Fractions and Money Part 2. Oh boy. So we've talked a lot this year about money models for fractions as well as clock fractions. And today we're really going to focus on money again, because this is part 2. And we're going to use a ratio table to kind of show our thinking. But we cannot forget the value of certain coins, because in each of the questions you're going to be presented with for your notes, you will need to know what the value of that coin is as a fraction. So for the first problem, how many quarters are there in $4? Our equation is 4, which is the $4, divided by 1/4. In our ratio table, as you can see, there are labels. We've labeled quarters and dollars. 1 quarter is how many dollars? That's where we're going to start. Take a moment and pause the video if you need to record exactly what you see on the screen: the question, the equation, and the ratio table. So before filling out the ratio table, we really want to focus on our question. We want to answer how many quarters there are in $4. So now's what I think about. A quarter is what part of a dollar? That's right, 1 quarter is 1/4 of a dollar, because we know that 4 quarters makes a whole dollar. Okay, we're off to a great start. Let's just recap what's down here. We have 1 quarter is 1/4 of a dollar. That's a given. So the goal is to figure out how many quarters there are in $4. So I need to get 1/4 all the way to the number 4. How are we going to do that? That's right. We're going to multiply 1/4 times 4, because 4/4 is 1 whole. And in this case, 4/4 is a dollar. We're also going to multiply the number of quarters by 4, which in effect is going to tell us that 4 quarters make a dollar, which we probably already all knew. Again, I want to know how many quarters there are in $4. So what are we going to do? We're going to multiply $1 by 4, because that will get us $4, and 4 quarters times 4, and that's going to give us 16. So that tells us that 16 quarters makes a dollar. Now write the answer to the question in a sentence. Okay, I'm pretty confident you can solve these next questions without my help. So I'm going to ask for you to take a shot and finish the next 3 questions. How many half dollars are there in $3? 3 divided by 1/2. How many dimes are there in a half dollar? 1/2 dollar divided by 1/10, because a dime equals 1/10 of a dollar. And how many nickels are there in a half dollar? 1/2 dollar divided by 1/20, because 1/20 of a dollar is the value of a nickel. Okay, you've got this. I know you do. I want you to consider just a few things. One is, what is the coin you're working with? So that's going to be what you need to think about. You need to know the value of the coin. Then you also need to think about how many total dollars or half dollars you need to get to. So if you need to figure out how many nickels are in a half dollar, you need to take into consideration what the value of 1 nickel is to a dollar or a half dollar. Okay? You can do this.